So Sanjay Singh raising the Tanashahi bar yet again. More breaking updates now coming in. It's not just the Aam Aadmi Party, but the Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray faction as well, taking a pot shot at President Draupadi Murmu, saying it's the president who is responsible for dictatorship.
मैं उनकी भूमिका का स्वागत करता हूं। जिस तरह से तानाशाही चल रही है उसकी जिम्मेदार राष्ट्रपति महोदया भी है। राष्ट्रपति जी ने सरकार को रोकना चाहिए।
So that's the jab coming in from the Uddhav Sena as well. So Shivani, it looks like the opposition leaders, not just the Aam Aadmi Party, but the Uddhav Sena as well, are raising questions on the president, saying she is responsible for the dictatorship in the country. Aam Aadmi Party also saying there's dictatorship and that's the reason why they're going to boycott the address. Shivani?
Pratibha, see, now Sanjay Raut has also reacted and he has said that though he welcomes the role of the president in whatever is happening, but yes, he also says that the unconstitutional affairs that are taking place in the parliament are also a part of the role of the president, and that is why they are not with what's happening. So the address which the Aam Aadmi Party is going to boycott, the president address, the Sanjay Raut from the Uddhav Sena is also agreeing to it. They say that they are with Aam Aadmi Party on that stand because yesterday what had happened in the House is that there was a motion that had been brought criticizing the emergency, and all the opposition leaders were also welcoming it, but still some from the Congress party were criticizing it, and now Aam Aadmi Party is coming out and saying that the way Arvind Kejriwal has again been arrested by the CBI is unconstitutional. What Sunita Kejriwal has also been pointing out, that this is unconstitutional arrest. That is why they are now going to boycott the address of the president in the parliament, and now the reactions are also coming in from other allies of the Aam Aadmi Party, be it the Uddhav Sena. Sanjay Raut has come out with a statement. He says that whatever is taking place, the president is also responsible for that, and that is why when Aam Aadmi Party is boycotting this address, they are also agreeing to it.
Okay, all right. So the Aam Aadmi Party saying that they're going to be boycotting the address. We have reactions also coming in from the Uddhav Sena saying that the president is responsible for the dictatorship in the country. Shivani, over the last few days in the parliament, ever since the parliament session began, in fact, even before it began, in fact, we saw the showdown between the opposition as well as the centre, as well as the NDA escalating. Stay with us.